Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Firebase Auth UI flows for onboarding screens step by step clearly. Begin by setting up your Firebase project in the Firebase console. Create a new project or open an existing one. Navigate to the authentication section in the left menu. Click on the Get Started button. Enable the authentication methods you wish to support, such as email and password, Google, or Facebook. Save your changes. Next, install the Firebase SDK in your app. Open your project in your preferred IDE. If you are using a web app, run the npm install command for Firebase. If you are using Android or iOS, follow the specific installation instructions for your platform. Now, let's integrate the Firebase Auth UI. Import the Firebase Auth UI library into your project. For web, include the Firebase UI CDN link in your HTML. For mobile apps, add the Firebase UI dependency in your build.gradle file or pod file. Next, initialize Firebase in your app. Use the configuration snippet provided in the Firebase console for your project. After initializing, create an instance of the Auth UI. Set the desired sign-in options like email, Google, and Facebook. Now, configure the onboarding flow. Create a welcome screen in your app. Design it to inform users about the benefits of signing in. From here, add a button that triggers the Firebase Auth UI. When users click the button, start the sign-in flow. In the onActivity result method for mobile, handle the sign-in response. For web, use the appropriate Firebase Auth UI callback. Customize the UI according to your brand style. Adjust colors, logos, and fonts to match your design. Test the onboarding flow thoroughly. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.